Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how does Eldorado.gg work. First, open the Eldorado.gg website and sign in to your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can quickly create one using your email or a social login option. After you log in, you will see the main dashboard. At the top menu, you will find different categories such as currency, accounts, top-ups, items, boosting, and gift cards. These categories help you choose exactly what you want to buy. Select the category that matches your need. For example, if you want to buy in-game money, go to the currency section. After selecting it, choose the game for which you want to buy currency. Once you select the game, Eldorado will show you a list of sellers with different prices and delivery options. Now take your time and look carefully at the offers. Check the seller ratings, reviews, and number of completed orders. If a seller has low ratings or bad reviews, it is better to avoid them and choose a more trusted seller. When you find a good seller, click on the offer and continue to the payment process. Choose your payment method and confirm the order. The platform usually holds the payment until you confirm that you received your order, which helps keep the process safe. Now let's talk about selling on Eldorado.gg. If you want to become a seller, go to the top right corner and click on your profile. From there, click on Become a Seller. You will need to complete identity verification. This process may ask for personal details and documents such as a passport or other identification papers. This step is required to ensure trust and safety on the platform. Once approved, you can start listing your products and services and receive orders from buyers around the world. Thanks for watching.